World's greatest Algebra 3 students, Mr. Hamilton here. We have now completed our new content for the year. Congratulations. Wish we could be there in person, Mr. Parker and I, with you to celebrate this moment. This is a big moment in all of our lives, but we're there in spirit, and maybe get an extra helping of a gravy on the mashed potatoes today, or maybe just go out to eat and do a Culver's drive-through or something. So I think your parents at least owe you that much for completing the new material, Algebra 3. So what we are going to do is we have 7 class days left of the 7. The next 6 we're going to dedicate to something that we call a wrap-up. So we're going to go back and look at each of our chapters, take a peek at some of that material, and just do some Delta Math wrap-up on each. We have 5 Delta Math wrap-ups designed for you. 1 comes from Chapter 9. It's called Delta Math Chapter 9 wrap-up. We got 2 that come from Chapter 13, Chapter 13A and B. And then we have 1 from Matrices, Chapter 4, and then a Delta Math Delta Math wrap-up of trig graphs, which is our Chapter 14. So we have 5 of those we want you guys to complete. Each of those is worth 10 points, 10 quiz points. You have 6 class days. So we've given you 6 class days to do this. And what we're going to do is we want these due. There's a deadline on these. The deadline for these is Thursday, May 28th by 10 p.m. So you have from today, which is Wednesday, May 20th, which is my birthday, or birthday for my son Lewis. Pretty big day for us here at the Hamilton household. So, but Friday is a separate assignment, the May 29th. So these wrap-ups will be due on Thursday 28th. And what we're going to do is we're going to open all 5 of them up right now. So you guys can pick and choose when you can work on these. And if you have some time carved out earlier in the week or later next week, whatever that is, you can start working on them continuously. So whenever you find the time to do these, there are 5 of them over these next 6 class days. So we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday's a holiday, so then the 26th is a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the 28th. That will be our wrap-up day for these. Again, the deadline for these is by 10 p.m. On Friday, we'll finish up the year. Just a couple little details. We have a little short survey we want you to complete, and then a short little goodbye. So that is kind of the schedule from here on out. One reminder, make sure you guys complete your grade choice quiz on Schoology. Remember that grade choice is totally up to you, and it'll show up as either 1, which is a 1-point quiz, it's 100%, or 0%. Either of those go under a category that counts for 0% of the grade. So remember, that doesn't hurt your grade whether you choose a grade or pass-fail. So make sure you take a peek at that. As always, if you have questions, stop by our Hangouts, email us, let us know. One other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some PDF versions of completed notes from Chapter 9 and 13, because those were before we left for distance learning. So if you don't have those available, I'll put those on there so you can take a peek. So that should do it for a while. We will see you a little bit later. Take care. Whoa. Wash your hands. Disinfect your phones. Stay clean, my friends. And most importantly, be kind.